Igbo ndị bana ege ntị ekene kwa mụ Igbo mụlụnzi m ọzọ ebe kọna ka isi abịa ọzọ ya wesi nkịta atamara onye ọbụla mmanụ video na afekịta bụ video testimony of everything na-eme na Ngor-Okpala. I am very happy na ndị Ngor-Okpala have seen the light. Ndị Ngor-Okpala have seen the light. Enwere 2 days ago eme video si unu natana ka ihe na-eme da play na ọ bụrụ na iji ego jeje ego akada igo ijide ego tipa igolu ijide ego boss igolu because na ya ha sim na emecha 100 days from now to December na mgbapụta invest ya keke 3 na mgbapụta ego 2 maka chike mụ na gị na abụ ịma mgbapụta ego 2. I said it I don't know why chukwu na nye m ego. I have a business idea juru m isi anọ. I can foresee something ahead of time. I can foresee something. Like that was when GTB mkpuke mgbe last mgbe Alex Oti bachala Abia State and send mmadụ bawa na Abia State ijide ego bawa di hapụcha na ihe unu na-eme asa Anambra Ebonyi asa Imo adọnọ na akpa ihe na nweghị isi bawa na Abia State na-eketa airport na abata dị airport by time ọchịcha 4 years atanga so much thank God that ka ọ dịle ndụ hapụ all this propaganda no one na-eme hapụ ndị ọjọọ no one na-achọ ịbata n'ime Abia State now because it's so obvious that now they don't like him. Nwoke Abia State, they don't like him. Tinubu yeje Anambra je Imo, but he cannot go to Abia State. Why? It's so obvious they don't like him because he's not playing with again. He's not playing by the rules. He doesn't play by the rules. I said it by one day. Kita na ihe na-eme n'Imo State Ngor-Okpala kita. Then testimony onye ọkada anụnwa. Chọmkwunu pay attention. Ihe bụ ihe nkwulu mgbasị. Inwe ọkada je hapụchakwa ndị na-butere ọlụ ndị be ha pụrụ waya nke anyị na video na na-eti mkpu wo. Kedu ihe imegolo anya leave church kedu ihe imegolo anya that they can confidently say on your mandate we stand. What have you done for your people that now I ask na on the mandate of Igbo Kobi here we stand? Yetago. So nene this testimony no ya like ya. God one.
Share this video.
So now, we put the machine. I keep winning. I could do Bukobi. Very good. Correct, man. Yes.
If I with a minute when I say Ngor-Okpala Zion City, they create direct and indirect employment. If for direct employment, when this man on a bar, see no so nande na supply blocks na that Zion ground, and it's a mega project. So, of unonye na savo na supply blocks eba awurugodu no galanya. Onya awurugodu no galanya ngada. Ebe for so joy there no be. Now because no with such massive contract, such huge contract, when you pari aka isi kwa na akpe mopute ego jego tapa motorbikes na abo we empower kwa 2 people indirect employment. So for the fact that Nanyangwa with direct contract is supply block na Zion ground enable into creating 2 other employment to 2 people. So those 2 people will end up again adding to our black market one on a free session kahana about fuel. Free session in Mukwana 2 additional people yabe about fuel. When they lawyer in Mukwana 2 additional people yabe about lawyer. Onye mechanic and we go 2 additional people. Ayada lolo mechanic, and the chain goes like this. If we not to talk of when you go to machine and go to nake. So benefit of what is happening in Ngor-Okpala is what you cannot even measure. you cannot measure it in any way. Okay, for you? This is an Ngor-Okpala indigen. Now, the Ijebe nwoke aketa if na project because onye nwere ike iru obe eketa ọlụcha n'ụlọ. And the Kwenu Foundation, what I am saying keep going on because a lot of people keep making money because of one person. Other chains in Enazo, we keep making money. Those in logistics, those in not into materials, those who are rendering services, and they go with chains. So you can never underestimate or stop talking about the Zion project in Ngor-Okpala. It is a life-changing project. Now, such person potentially be testimony. Breakthrough. Do you know what it means for somebody to be counted lucky as one of the people now supply blocks in Ngor-Okpala? Even in fact, let me tell you, 50 people cannot supply enough blocks. I do enough. 100 to 200 tippers. A supply shamugo ajeni direba. 100 to 200 tippers. A supply nishaboda ajeni direba. Still, onye kpata na inye ụfọdụ ego ka ekpotara gị aja ọdụka ọ na-egbu oge ife o ji egbu oge ọkwọ tipa na-abịa na-apụ ọhọsọgwụ ka a na-ekpotalụ Zion na onwe ha na-ekpotakwa nke ha. So enwere demand. Every single material eji alụ ọrụ ebe a kịta nọ in high demand for the next God knows how many years. Because o bido from oge ahụ emere 100 days nke mbụ how many trips of sharp sand agbara ebe a. So it continues till whichever Zion na alụ nke ha. Before you know it, other people will key in of which you know when the demand will continue for every single project. So I won't even know and even with a show webino, but I won't go about like it out. Ilueba or Lugana Bialo. Any more hands, more hands. And what about the enough level for see how much the project in Abiaba. Even Anna around behind schedule. Now some of the project. Because name what about the enough hands in direct and indirect employment. And then I say, build factory. If they play now, if they show, or call they clear now your eye. Yeah, he enter B, you know, enter. Share this video. You will hear more stories about the result Ngor-Okpala produce. You will hear many millionaires and make it there right now. Even those who will go into billions, who their money will run into billions. Even those same will 100,000 that will go into multiple thousands for the sake of that project. So many people will become house owners. Many people will become car owners. Many people will become land owners. Many people will achieve a lot of things. Ebonye become awashi and okuko wenye wefie. Nke na hapo onye ugota nwoye as a result of that project. Or achieve go something. Share this video. If I we are enlightening you so that more of our brothers will have the mind and spirit to bring such huge establishment back to Southeast. You want to go? So that they will not feel that how would that go something like this? Now how you face criticism from their own people. No. We are trying to make you to see the benefit of what Evangelist Ebuka is doing in Ngor-Okpala. All go around Ndigbo niile onye ọ na benefit from there. Even those who are not from Imo State, even those who are not members of Zion Ministry are all benefiting from there, making a lot of money from there. Onye akita nwere ike manya one Zionite, but have you seen onye nwere ike ịma aka na akpa motorcycle na abụ ogo is almost 3 million. And though somebody say no na arụ a block mazi ode block industry na arụ na Ngor-Okpala mazi ntus we expand the gonke to the point that he can be able to buy motorbikes, not for his own use, but for commercial, which not other people. He hanya higher purchase. Hanya zuege. He nwekwe owuru nke fa. Aha nwere ike ha na anya zuege wakwa he gotakwa bigwa other people and they create jobs. You know na aka akọ. Share this video.